Hacking is what? The term hacking was first used at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, during 1950s and 1960s. The term was used for people who engage themselves in harmless technical experiments and fun learning activities. Now, these are wrong. If you are doing it in a correct way, you should call it ethical hacking. So, a computer enthusiast who uses his programming knowledge or skill to intentionally access a computer without authorization is known as hacking. A computer enthusiast involved in this activity is known as a hacker. So this hacker accesses the computer without the intention of destroying data or maliciously harming the computer. But there is another term commonly used with hacking is cracking. Cracking is defined as a method by which a person who gains unauthorized access to a computer, it has or he or she has the intention of causing the damage.